Welcome back to Factful Finance, the channel that turns complex money matters into actionable, game-changing insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting developments in the e-commerce world, AI-powered dropshipping. If you've ever dreamed of running a business without worrying about stock or inventory, stick around. What if I told you it's now possible to make sales, generate profit, and scale up, all without ever touching a physical product? Sounds too good to be true? It's not. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to make money with AI, part 18 of our ongoing series. Now, before we get into the nuts and bolts, let's make one thing clear. Dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate business model, and like any successful venture, it requires strategy, dedication, and smart decision-making. In this video, we'll break down how AI can revolutionize dropshipping, allowing you to sell products you don't own, all while optimizing your entire sales process. Let's get into it. What is AI-powered dropshipping? Traditional dropshipping involves selling products through an online store without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, you forward it to the supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. It's a brilliant way to start an e-commerce business with minimal upfront investment. But here's where AI comes in. AI-powered dropshipping uses artificial intelligence to optimize almost every aspect of this process, from product selection and marketing to customer service and order fulfillment. Think about this. In a world where time is money, AI can sift through massive amounts of data to predict consumer behavior, identify trending products, and even set the best price point. Imagine trying to do that manually. AI makes it faster, more accurate, and way more scalable. And this is just scratching the surface. How does AI make dropshipping profitable? Let's break this down with a real-world scenario. Meet Liam, an aspiring entrepreneur who wanted to get into the dropshipping game. He was overwhelmed with the idea of choosing products, managing orders, and handling customer service. But when he integrated AI into his dropshipping store, his whole approach shifted. Here's what AI helped Liam with. 1. Automated product research. AI tools analyze customer demand, competitor pricing, and trending keywords across multiple platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. This means Liam didn't have to manually search for trending products. The AI did it for him, presenting products with high potential profit margins based on real-time data. 2. Intelligent pricing models. With AI-driven tools, Liam could set dynamic pricing based on competitor analysis, supply chain fluctuations, and demand cycles. For example, if a product is in high demand, the AI adjusts the price to reflect market conditions, optimizing for higher profits. 3. Efficient customer support. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants helped Liam handle customer inquiries 24/7. These AI systems not only answered questions, but also provided personalized recommendations, which increased his conversion rates. 4. Data-driven marketing campaigns. AI algorithms tracked customer behavior and spending patterns. They automatically generated targeted ad campaigns for Facebook, Google, and Instagram, making sure Liam's marketing budget was spent on the highest converting audience. This data-driven approach helped Liam avoid the costly mistake of advertising to the wrong demographic. 5. Streamlined order fulfillment. AI also managed his suppliers and logistics. By integrating with his suppliers' systems, the AI optimized stock levels, predicted potential delays, and ensured smooth order processing, without Liam ever needing to get involved. In short, AI took the guesswork out of dropshipping. Liam was able to scale his business without any additional labor or overhead costs, and his sales grew exponentially because he wasn't constrained by manual limitations. Key benefits of AI in dropshipping. Now that you know the how, let's discuss why AI makes dropshipping so attractive, especially in today's market. Scalability. AI allows you to scale your dropshipping business without scaling your workload. While traditional dropshipping requires hands-on management, AI automates most processes, allowing you to run your business efficiently as it grows. This is crucial when you're looking to scale without overwhelming yourself. Time efficiency. Let's face it, managing a business takes time, and the more tasks you have to handle manually, the more energy you spend. AI takes care of tedious tasks like product research, order fulfillment, and customer inquiries, leaving you with more time to focus on growing your brand. 3. Cost efficiency. AI-driven marketing and analytics tools can drastically reduce your customer acquisition costs, CAC. By targeting the right customers with personalized ads, AI ensures that your marketing budget is well spent. Plus, it minimizes the risk of overstocking or understocking inventory, further reducing costs. 4. Smarter decision-making. With AI handling the heavy lifting of data analysis, you get insights that would be nearly impossible to generate manually. These insights help you make smarter decisions, such as knowing which products to push during particular seasons, or when to pivot your strategy based on emerging trends. 5. Automation of repetitive tasks. Dropshipping involves repetitive tasks like updating product listings, processing orders, and responding to customer queries. AI automates these tasks, leaving you with the ability to focus on the bigger picture, strategizing, improving the customer experience, and expanding your brand. Getting started with AI-powered dropshipping. So how can you get started? It's not as complicated as it seems. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Choose your platform. Start by selecting an e-commerce platform that integrates well with AI-powered tools. Shopify, for instance, offers a variety of AI-powered apps that automate tasks from product research to order fulfillment. 2. Leverage AI tools for product research. Use AI tools like DataHawk or AlgoPix to analyze which products are trending, what prices are optimal, and which suppliers offer the best profit margins. 3. Set up dynamic pricing. Utilize AI-powered dynamic pricing tools like Presync or Repricer Express to automatically adjust your product prices based on market fluctuations, competitor prices, and demand. 4. Automate customer service. Implement AI chatbots like Tidio or Chatfuel that can engage with customers instantly, providing answers to common questions, offering personalized product recommendations, and even upselling. 5. Optimize marketing campaigns. Use AI tools like AdEspresso or Hunch to run personalized marketing campaigns. These tools analyze customer behavior, segment audiences, and create targeted ads that convert. 6. Streamline order fulfillment. Choose a dropshipping supplier that offers integrations with AI systems for automated stock updates, order processing, and shipping notifications. Chash real-world example: how Olivia scaled her AI-powered dropshipping store. Let's look at Olivia, who took the leap into AI-powered dropshipping. She implemented AI for product research, automated her customer support with chatbots, and set up dynamic pricing. After 6 months, Olivia's store was generating consistent sales, and she was making a profit of over $7,000 per month, all without handling any physical inventory. Her secret? The AI tools she used helped her run her business smarter, not harder. Wrapping up, AI-powered dropshipping is more than just a trend. It's the future of e-commerce. By leveraging AI, you can automate, optimize, and scale your dropshipping business to new heights. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your current store to the next level, the integration of AI into your strategy can unlock unparalleled growth and profitability. Want to learn more about how AI can boost your financial game? Drop a comment below, and let's continue the conversation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tips and insights on how to make smarter financial moves. And remember, this content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services does not constitute an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized advice. Until next time, keep pushing toward your financial goals. AI is here to help you every step of the way.